Hello, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto E22. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app, tab button in the top right corner, go to settings, Google Assistant and voice match. Enable Hey Google function, tap next, agree and continue. Let's try it out. OK Google. Now that you are sure it's working, let's go back, enter lock screen and also make sure that this function is enabled. Now you can simply lock the screen and say, OK Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
It'll be partly cloudy, with a high of 64 and a low of 41.
And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.